Healthy food versus junk food. What you really eating? If you had to choose between a fresh bowl of salad or a sizzling cheeseburger, what would you pick? Be honest. But what if I told you that one of them is slowly stealing your energy, messing with your brain, and even aging your skin faster? Let's break the truth wide open. Healthy food versus junk food. What's really going on inside your body? Let's keep it simple. Healthy food is packed with nutrients. Think vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidant. Junk food, mostly empty calories, high in sugar, trans fats, sodium, and artificial chemicals. Now let's talk long term. Junk food is linked to obesity, heart disease, diabetes, even depression. It clogs your arteries and your mind. Healthy food, it protects your heart, sharpens your brain, strengthens your immune system, and even helps fight aging. The difference is not just visible on the outside, it's life-changing on the inside. Look, it's not about never touching junk food again. It's about balance and awareness. Every bite is a choose, nourish your body or feed your cravings. Next time you are hungry, ask yourself, is this fuel or is this poison? Healthy food builds your body, junk food break it. The choice is yours. If this video made you think twice before your next snack, hit like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more real talk on the food and health. See you in the next one.